Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you the new truck I bought. Es una 91 Silverado, dos puertas, 5.7 V8, step side, really hard to find with a 4-piece window on it, and then also tiene leather interior. It's really nice. I'm gonna show you right now. It does have some frame damage, but that will all get fixed. Like me and my dad are gonna fix all that. So that's a little project truck I got for the channel right now. We're gonna be working on it. Ahorita I'm gonna flip the camera so I can show you qué está pasando, qué tiene, how we gonna fix it, explain step by step how we gonna do it. And later in the video, we're gonna go with my homeboy, se llama Alexis. I'm gonna leave his Instagram down below. Tiene una white crew cap. Le vamos a poner una tranny y le vamos a poner the cam y todo. We're gonna do the cam swap on everything. It's gonna be running real nice. So I'm gonna show you that later. But ahorita I'm gonna show you the truck. But cool. Okay guys, so this is the truck we got. 91 Chevrolet Silverado, step side, 4-piece window. Really nice interior, leather interior. Door panels are really nice. Almost on all these trucks, the door panels are always bad. They're always ripped and everything. The dash is complete. Really nice Texas truck. This truck is from Texas. It's a one owner truck. The carpet needs a little cleaning, but that's pretty much it on the interior. Nothing much. He did paint all these trims red just to match the seat. The seat needs a whole cleaning and a deep cleaning on the door panels también. Look at headliner. This is how you can tell it's a Texas truck. Headliners and dashes. These are always cracked on other trucks. This one was really taken care of. The damage, I'm gonna show you the damage real quick. This is the damage right here on the frame. Look at that frame. This piece is not part of the frame. The frame starts from right there, and that bolts onto the frame right there. So that piece moved. That piece broke, and the frame moved a little bit this way, or a little bit that way. So we need to push it this way. As you can tell, the screw has to go inside in there, so this has to be pushed this way and back. And that's pretty much it on the damage. And repaint this fender. I'm gonna get a cow hood for it, so I'm not gonna worry about that. Repaint that fender and still install new lights. I'm gonna put a 454 SS grill, and I'm gonna do a 454 bumper with a fog lights. I mean, it's pretty much complete. The step side bit has no cracks. No cracks. It's really complete. Look at it. Look at the no cracks. They're always cracking from right here. Always cracked. Always cracked. Blacked out tail lights. I'm gonna remove all that. I'm gonna put back stock everything. Nothing. No damage. It's a really nice truck. This is gonna be the next project truck for the channel. We're gonna be working on this one. We're just waiting on the title to get shipped here. We'll be good to go. This truck is gonna be really nice. Let me show you the motor real quick, if I can. It needs a radiator. That's why everything's all messed up. But I have to deep clean everything. I need to put a radiator. I'm gonna put a 454 radiator. Make it clean. It's gonna be really nice. We're gonna make this one nice for the channel. Voy a fucking miren. This fender was painted white. I don't know why. You get the paint is chipping, so I just pressure wash. I'm gonna pressure wash the fender with the pressure washer I have to remove all the white paint, and I'll be back to black paint how it was. You can see it was black. I just gotta pressure wash it. You can see it. Look. No, I'll remove that. We'll be removing those wheels. The weapon dead. I'm gonna put some stocks on it, some 4 stocks. Or see, now I'm gonna get some IROX for it. That's pretty much it for the truck. It's really nice. He did give me a lot of parts for the truck, a lot of screws. You can see he gave me a lot of screws. some covers, the washer, fluid tank. This was his first truck, so he took really nice care of it. So everything's pretty much good. It has a new transmission in it. The truck only has 100,000 miles, but he said he used to race the truck. He used to be doing burnouts, so the transmission broke. So he installed the new transmission. He said the transmission has a warranty for 2 years. So I'm good on that. And then transmission, on the motor, he said he did new gaskets, new everything on bearings, new everything on it. So I mean, pretty much the truck has like 0 miles. It's a really nice truck. We drove it a little bit just to drive it out the street. We was pulling it on the street, and my dad said it was driving really good. And we have it parked right here. We've been having it parked for a little bit, and there's no leaks in the bottom. It's not leaking anything. No leaks. So that's pretty much it for the truck. It's gonna be. I'm really excited for the build. It's gonna be the build for the channel. Entonces, ya let me know qué le podemos hacer, what y'all want me to do. I don't know. I can probably do some stuff, move some stuff around. Probably. I don't know. If y'all want some special wheels, I can probably try to get the wheels para ponerlos, because those ain't gonna do it. But y'all let me know what y'all want me to do. These wheels will be for sale. If anybody interested, the tires are new. He did tell me the tires are new, so y'all let me know. I'm really excited for this truck. A ver qué podemos hacer. Pero ahorita nos vemos cuando llegue my boy Alexis. We're gonna go to Summit real quick. Vamos a ir a request some parts so we can start fixing his truck. He bought the transmission already, so we will be installing the transmission también in the truck. So nos vemos, cuz. Okay guys, so we're on the way to Summit right now con el compa Alexis. We're gonna go buy some parts for the truck. Y ahorita a ver qué compramos. So I'm gonna show you like cómo se mira Summit for people that don't know how Summit looks from. So I'm gonna show you cómo se mira Summit aquí in Dallas, Texas. So ahorita I'll get you right now. Okay guys, a ver, ¿qué compraste, Co? Enséñanos. ¿Qué compraste, Co? Calmado, Co. Compraste parts al Co, pero ahí está Summit, so I can check it out. Parts. El hood for ya tacuaches. I'm going for that hood. And cool. So I forgot to record, but we have the heads installed. We're torquing down the heads right now.
Hey, wait, come on.
Cause we installed the tranny, or we gonna install the tranny later. So I'm gonna put clips of that, the transmission. Y ahí están las heads. I did this side. Eric's doing that side. My crew cab. ¿Qué traes, Co?
Just a little 4.8.
4.8.
With a big ass cam.
With the big A cam. The 6.0. 6.0 with
4.8. Tú dices que es 4.8. They don't have to know it's 6.0.
Calmado. Right down, they're talking down. I'm gonna get back to you cuando ya esté todo el motor armado and we finna start it up. Cool. I say what's up to the vlog. Ahí está my boy Rolando. My boy Pri. And my nigga Eric over there in la esquina, Co. Andan quitando la tranny ahorita de la crew cab. Apenas, ¿qué le metieron ahorita al motor, Co?
Nada.
¿No le metieron nada?
Nada. Stop.
Está que el motor. Pues le van a poner Stage 2 transmission.
No entra ahí.
Está la crew cab del Co. Trae V6 el Co.
Madre.
Ya me pongo la pierna,
No hay mecánica. Sí.
Cállate otra vez, güey. Cabo, no hay problema.
Hey, what's up, Co? What's up with it? Están los Cos. Vinimos a ayudarles a quitar la transmisión porque no ponían los Cos. Aquí andamos en el back alley quitando la oil pan al tranny para no ensuciar el driveway.
Concrete, Co.
Aquí en el alley ni se mira nada. Pero aquí andamos con la tranny del Pri en la crew cab. El Co. Ya prendió, Co. or not?
Yeah, because it stays on and the oil pressure is good. Hey, ahí caben todos, nomás muevan.
Puro team listo, co. El Kevin. What you think, Kevin? ¿Sí le hacemos para poner cam? Yo, las manos sucias, pero trae cam el co. I do our print. ¿Ah? Our print. Yo, our print, mira. Esta es nuestra marca. Ah, se apagó. Es que no tiene estado. No pasa nada. Alright, so ahorita la vamos a prender. La vamos a manejar el co. Es smoking que tiró el aceite en las headers. Y ahí están las manos sucias, co. Ya está el motor terminado. It's smoke because of the headers. Checking the oil right now. Oil pressure is good. Mexico.
A ver, anúzale, güey.
Vamos a mirar la cita. It's good.
Tiene que estar prendida para que cheque. Dile que la prenda.
Préndela.
Es que si es fuera de este pedal de cable,
Ya lo hubiera
prendido.
¿Pero?
No, la dejas apagada toda.
Ahorita vamos a prender. A ver qué hace la cuba.
Hey, check the air intake.
Check though.
Espérate, a ver, move.
The air intake.
Le falta tantito aceite a la transmisión.
The pedal isn't responding.
Yeah.
Hold up, espérense. Espérate.
¿Está bien?
Dale.
No se apaga, no se apaga, no se apaga, no se apaga.
Dale, rápido.
La van a ir a calar ahorita los codos. Eso fue lo que se cayó. Ahí está el 8. El 8 que nos cayó. Y este fue el co. Ahorita vamos a ver si regresa para atrás el co safely. Y ahorita si se apaga, ahorita we'll catch up back. Ahorita tratando de jalarlo para atrás al co.
Rolas.
Spinning the billets el co. Y they don't care, pa. Sí que monstruo.
Oye, el otro, güey.
El otro. Ahí en el co. Yo, ni. Mira co. Ya llegó el co.
If you send me this,
I'm gonna post it on YouTube, co. It's gonna be in the vlog. El co. Okay, we're on the way to drop off Alexis to his party. Ando con el Rolas en la truck, bro, Team Lethal. Andamos, ahí va Eric en la SS, and my boy Alexis en the white crew cab, que apenas le metimos al cam. and we did install the new transmission, but we need to go buy a stop para ponérsela. So I'm gonna get you right now cuando le dejemos en la casa de la party. So, ahí nos vemos, cuz. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. Yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below on what y'all want me to do. I have lots of video plans out. They're all just coming together at once, so yeah, make sure to follow me on Instagram. Link is down below. And nos vemos, cool.